Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your date of birth on Facebook. I'll show you how to do it on the app, but doing it on desktop is pretty much the same thing. Let's begin. Open up Facebook and then head over to your profile page. From your profile, tap on See Your About info. Here on the About Settings page, scroll down to Basic Info and you will see your date of birth. Tap on the Edit button beside it. On this page you can now change your date of birth. Note that you are only allowed to change your date of birth a couple of times in total before you won't be allowed to anymore. Once you've changed the date, tap on the I confirm I am this age checkbox and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Save. Your date of birth will now be updated on your Facebook profile. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.